Hey everybody, welcome to Hammer and Halo Projects. I'm Rob. In this video I'll show you how to use these shark bite connections for PEX plumbing, and in my case for an emergency situation. So this is our water softener, and last night I heard a hissing sound, so I came downstairs and out the overflow the water was coming at full speed and going into the drain in the floor. So it was late last night, I couldn't do much about it. I turned the main line off to the house. No one has used it from day one. It looks like it is a top-notch system, but we've never used it. The people before us never used it. The problem is the main line feeds right into it and then circulates through it and then feeds the house. So what I'm going to do is just bypass this unit completely and install two of these 3/4 inch shark bite connections and just feed the main line directly back into the house. So the first step is to shut the main water supply off to the house, and here you'll hear it start to drain down. Once you've got the water completely turned off, it's a good idea to drain the house as much as you can. So I'm going to go upstairs, open some of the faucets. You can also flush the toilets. Now regardless, there's going to be some water that comes out of here when I cut it. And what I'm using to cut the PEX pipe are these PEX cutters. You can pick these up online. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested. You could use a knife to cut the pipe, but these are meant for cutting plastic PEX pipe. So I went ahead and picked a set up, and yeah, link will be in the description below if you're interested in getting a set. So I'm going to cut this pipe over here, and I'm sure water will start to flow out of it because there is water in here, but it should stop. And I have a floor drain, so this should all just drain into the floor, and there won't be a whole lot in there. If you don't have a floor drain, make sure you have a bucket on hand. We'll just let it finish draining. And then we'll do the same thing on the line going back into the house, roughly in the same position. Lots of water there because this is feeding the house. So that's why opening the taps on the sinks will help drain this a little bit. So I'm just going to cut them back a little bit because I do need a piece of PEX to go between the two shark bites. Make sure they're somewhat even. Cut it off, cut it off. So I want a piece to go in between, so I'm going to take that much to go in between. And really simple, all you want to do is push. This is a 3/4 inch PEX line, 3/4 inch shark bite. All you want to do is push it into it until you hear it set. Then do the same thing on the other side. Push it in so it sets. And that's it for that. Now we're just going to tie these two together. Just like that. So now what will happen is the main water from the house will come over, up, and back into the house, completely bypassing the water softener that was previously installed. Now we'll turn the water on and see if the shark bites hold. These can come off. There's a tool you can buy that presses that in, and then it just slips right off. I'm just going to run upstairs, turn the taps off that we turned on previously, and then come back down and turn on the house water supply. So I got the taps turned off upstairs, so let's turn on the main water supply to the house and see if those shark bites hold. So everything looks good. So now all I did was basically turn this clamp around, and I'm going to put it back underneath there. Just so these are separated the same distance as the shark bite connection. So I love these shark bite connections. They're simple, easy, anybody can do it, and I think they're an awesome product. So if you want to get your hands on some, I'll put a link to some of the different sizes in the description below, and you can grab them there, as well as a link to the cutting tool that we use to cut the PEX pipe. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. Peace.